All right, everybody. This Pinnacle Credit Repair CEO definitely likes to talk about people's kids. And he's talking about David Stanley's having a special needs child. And it's one of the sickest things you can do is pick on somebody's kids, especially if they're special needs. You don't pick on kids, you don't pick on elderly people. But this, I guess, makes his ego rise, or he gets off, or whatever. But y'all please watch this video of David Stanley and share this video everywhere you can. We got to get this guy shut down. You know, I hate to say it, but he's a big piece of shit. I mean, that's all there is to it. Biggest scammer there is right now. So just watch the video. Hope y'all have a great day.
Hello everybody. So I was thinking about this. There's a video that Lil Andy, professed CEO of Pinnacle Credit, put out. And don't mind me. I'm just sitting out in my front place right now, in my yard, my place that I own. One of four, but three actually go to family members because I believe in actually helping people, and Andy believes in robbing people and stealing from people. So he mentions my daughter, my wife, and a woman I'm talking to. First off, I will pull up later on that advertisement he pulled up of that girl. That girl's on Instagram. He pulled up my Instagram page. He can't get into my Instagram page as much as he claims he's a hacker, but he can't because it's shut down to personal. I only allow people in that I trust. It's my page. I can do what I want, right? So, well, it's really set up basically to keep people away like Andy, who are military haters, because, you know, MARSOC guys are fucking crazy according to him, and SEALs are crazy according to him, and Andy, you have no idea how many friends you just made with that statement. I'm going to love showing that to everybody on base. I think my response to you is pretty simple as this. You don't listen. It's my son who has special needs. Yes, I have a beautiful little daughter and a beautiful son. And it's my son who has special needs. I am married. And you're showing one section of a page that shows my profile picture and then you looking up other shit. So here's the deal. We'll make it very simple for you. You have the Shaddad hanging up on a wall in a picture on your Instagram. And it's from Allah, meaning we, not I. I'm very educated in what I do and how I do it. Stop talking about the military because you're a disrespectful shit. And you never made it past MEPS. When your coin challenge company failed, your parents told you, your mom especially told you who you robbed from, okay? Because you're gonna get the money from your girlfriend because you already beat her up. We have proof of that too. And you're gonna love the interview that's coming out on you, buddy. You're gonna love it, who I talked to. A couple people I talked to. One of them's a family member. I wonder who that is. But this whole thing of this life, this facade you're living, I mean, now you're even covering your fucking drapes closed. Stick to one thing. And let me tell you what it should be. It should be honesty and clarity. Because you have none. I'm not afraid to show where I'm at, where I live. I'm in California, 2 miles away from the beach, in front of my place. Okay? Everybody lives their life their own way. I don't live this rich, insane life, but I'm very happy with what I have. I'm not pissed off about it. I live on a pretty busy side road, I guess you'd say. I mean, it's residential through and through out through here. Oh yeah. I'll be doing a parody too of me doing some landscaping, spraying flowers and burying next to the dead ones because I have so many hobbies that I do. I mean, I'm quite lost in your bullshit, and you crossed the line again, dude. You start bringing like kids into it. We had things on you we weren't going to bring into this because just out of respect for what Jim had taken the position of being honorable and being humane, but you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna use your own family against you, and I'm gonna use everything we got on you, dude. And we're gonna take you down. We'll take you down in a very bad way. You don't have $1 million deals with any fucking sharks. You're a lying sack of shit. You interview one girl from fucking Germany, probably Ramstein Airfield. She's probably Air Force. She could have a civilian job for all we know. But you don't talk to fucking guys in the special operations group. And if you did leaving a video like you did today, you'd be fucked. And I'm not talking about the crap you're talking on me. I'm talking about the crap you talked on the community. That was just foolish. I mean, you exude the position of a guy who basically is someone who didn't make it through MEPS, someone who failed at school. And you got to wake up every day and see yourself in the mirror to face that. I don't. I did all my shit proudly. Proudly I did my shit. And I was awarded for it. So I don't know where this theory comes of like talking about Vietnam or Afghanistan like you think you fucking know it. I wasn't in Vietnam. My dad was towards the end. Fuck you for talking about it because you know nothing of it. But you're all over the map, dude. You ride motorcycles, you build motorcycles, you're full of shit. We already know that's a lie. You know, you claim that you're in this fucking high-rise loft in New York. That's a fucking lie. You said Paris today, it's dry. I mean, you can't even make it up. Like, when you came back with your response, you said I had it mixed up. I didn't. You fucked people over in San Jose. That's how you started your company. You decided at that point you're going to steal information and run with it. You ran to New York, you started up there. When you knew they were coming for you, you fucking ran again. So you decided to use CRC. That's the best thing you could come up with, because before that, you were using calling centers in India while you were hiding in fucking Vietnam. We know where you're at. Just give it up, dude. I mean, it's not about the fact that it's like you're gonna win something. You're not. You're not gonna win anything. And you can't even do spell check right. You write shit, and it's like, you write Brian for brain. I can go on, dude. There's like probably 12, 13 fucking grammatical errors, and you're a CEO. Most CEOs give their shit to a secretary to proofread, and then they fix it and they send it out. So, what are you? You're a fucking scammer. At best. At worst, a psychotic narcissist. You talk about all this shit. I'm gonna get shaved to get my nails done. What alpha male says that? Even if you really do it, I'm not knocking it, but who says that? Because you can. Same thing with your dad and your sister. That's even your dad, who didn't seem very happy to see you much. But let's just be honest. Jet and Gulfstreams are like REITs. You think Grant Cardone owns his Gulfstreams too? And if you're really comparing it to Grant Cardone, that fucking scammer of all people. So, anytime you want, bud, you're welcome to come down to my place. I won't fly you in. Fly yourself in because you're a baller. But right here in my city, okay, we got Lion's Den. We got UFC. We got a ring there. We'll go up to La Habra together. We'll just have it out. I've offered, but you don't want to do it. But you seem to be like with everybody. You punch and punch and punch. Folks, this guy punches people in the back of the heads and runs. That's the best he's fucking got. Okay, I don't do drugs. Not on cocaine. Not on steroids. I do TRT. What fucking vet hasn't done it to get by? You lose it when you're in combat. But Andy wouldn't know about that because he hasn't ever been in combat. He didn't make it past MEPS to even get a fucking contract. And his parents forced him to go do it just to have his honor back in the family. But we'll get into that later on. So, Andy, you're not hurting anybody. No one takes your shit for weight for nothing. You're not some crack hack. You don't even know how to even get past a fucking Instagram profile. I think it's crazy, dude. I mean, I'm dealing with a fucking narcissistic child at best. Don't let me find you, dude, because I'll just throw over my fucking lap and spank the shit out of you. Might turn you on from the kind of person you are, but I'm just telling you. You do the line, it's fine. I'm good with it, dude. But just watch out, Andrew, because we're not going to stop. No matter what you do, no matter how much you beg when this is done, we are not going to stop until you're gone. Until you're gone. Simple as that. You're done. You crossed the line, dude. Again. You got warned the first time. And then, again, we have interviews with people. It's coming out, man. What are you going to do? You should really check your Instagram, by the way, because you have stuff posted on there that goes back so far from 2016 that the person you said it's a scammer, pedophile, these things too, you yet say he's your real estate VP. So update your shit. Catch up a little bit, buddy, and grow up a little bit. Grow a soul if you can, but I don't think you will, so that's why I'm not going to stop. You never want a guy like me on your ass, Andy, but I'm coming for you, dude. I'm coming for you.